Hello everyone, there's a Bitcoin update. Let's see what happened this week and have a general look on Bitcoin price. So when the price was going up, we were bullish looking at the high time frame resistance, which were around the 45 area, 52 and 58. As well, we were saying, keep in mind this channel. Yes, the price is good to break this high, but that can be simply a fake out and the price reach this channel and stays in a what's called a bear flag formation, which is Bitcoin is in right now. And that's what happened. The price reached this area 48 and showed massive weakness. We saw the buying pressure kind of dried out, and then eventually the price broke down. Another thing to notice is, or to keep in mind, and that's something I see a lot of people buying the dip, or trading the dip. If you see a price coming up that fast, you expect the price to drop that fast. Fast up, fast down, fast up, fast down, fast up, fast down. Why? Because you need consolidation. When the price consolidate, that will build volume. People bought and sold, and that will make the level stronger and stronger and stronger. The more the level is traded, the more the level is strong. Let me give you an example about that. We talked about that before. On this 35 area, we were bullish at the 35 area and buying here. Sold most of them here anyway, but we were bullish at the 35 because of this. One of the reasons, there's a lot of confluence here, but one of them is this. And we were talking about, this is the volume, all the volume traded since the 20K breakout. So since December 2020, this is all the volume traded. You will see the most volume traded is at 35. That, or 34,500. That this red line here is the most volume traded. So that will make a level very strong and very strong support. So in general, even on the low time frame, whenever you see price coming up fast, it dip fast because you don't have support. You need consolidation for support. If you noticed here, the price kept dropping and reached this area here where you have a lot of traded volume. So here you have first this 2 dailies here, then you have this. If we go on the low time frame, there's a lot of volume traded here. Even if I will look at the volume, I didn't check this before, but that might be, yeah, see this? This is like the most traded volume in this range, which is this range, is around this area, around the 39 to 100. Even if I look at this entire range volume, and this area around 39ish is the most traded volume. So that will show that the price always goes to tower where the volume is, where the most traded volume was, because that is where liquidity, that's the stops are there, the take profits are there. So this is just a general note for you. Anyway, let's go back to the analysis. So what happened here? The price dipped down and now finding good support. Another thing I want to mention, or let's start looking at the price in general. On the weekly, when the weekly was here, we were saying take care. We don't want to see this. We don't want to see the weekly closed under this low, because that will confirm this as first of all, as a local high. Second of all, as a lower high. High, lower high, and lower high. And the RSI was doing a higher high. So the RSI was doing a higher high while the price was doing a lower high. There's bearish diversion on the weekly. And the price target, I think I talked about this in my TikTok. The price target for this, in my opinion, I was looking at the price around here. So what I'm looking at, and I'm still looking at that, I'm looking at support around this area. Why this area? Because first we have the low of this channel. If I take the Fibonacci from low to high, I have the 618 around 38,500. So the price, yes, can come here, dip a little bit and then bounce back. I would like to see come here, go up and then go down, touch the channel, maybe go up. And another thing to keep in mind, since this channel is now very exposed and everyone see this channel, Bitcoin don't love to do this. So yes, I'll be looking here, watching how the price will, if I saw a lot of support here, I might consider jumping in a trade. And if not, I'll be looking at this channel, but I'm expecting more. I would like to see, this is pure speculation, but I would like to see the price come here, go up a little bit, and then wick down, take all these stops, make a fake breakout. Everyone is bearish. Short, 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 short. Then you go back up. And that's what I would like to see. In this case, I would long here after I confirm this is a breakout, because this sometimes can be a real breakdown and price go down. So what I would want to see is fake out a breakdown. Everyone is shorting this bear flag. So let's look at this together. So this is a bear flag. Bear flag, it has a higher probability to break down. So if the price came here and broke down, a lot of breakout traders will short this. And then the price can take this, all these shorts, take all this liquidity, fill the trades, and then back up. And then here will be a very good trade, because if you enter here, your stop is here. And then you look higher. I'm just saying, speculating an idea. But in general, this entire area from around 38 till 36,500 is a good support. Do I think that this is a good support? Price will go up back up to 50. I'm not that bullish yet. First I want to see a higher low. So the daily should close higher than this. And then I would want to see 42 taken out and then 45 to look higher. Then yes, I'll be looking at higher. This might be a resistance, but then it will be touched a lot. So then I expect this to break out, and then we're looking for higher. In the meantime, fundamentally and what's happening in the world doesn't show a lot of strength for risk assets. So that's why in general, I am very cautious here. I'm very cautious. I'm not yet buying for my long-term Bitcoin. I was waiting the breakdown here to start looking for accumulating for my long-term. My trading is very cautious, very, very cautious. I take profits very fast on the longs, and I'm letting the shorts, letting the shorts run. So that's it. On the high time frame, as we said, bearish divergence on the weekly. We're looking at the price target on 37, 38. Yes, this is a good support here, and the price bounce now. Can this be a reversal? It can. But in the meantime, we have to trade it level by level. I'm already in a long from 39,700 now, but it was 39,200 and took profits, and I'm in a short here. So on the low time frame, that's what I was trading on the low time frame. So on the low time frame, I was trading this channel. So the price came to the 39,200 area, which I said on TikTok, it's a good support. Price went back up, went down to the same. I longed here, took profit here because we had the Fibonacci, and then added to my long here, carried it all the way here. And then when this range broke to the downside, I went out of my longs and I got short from around 41,100. I put all my trades on the daily update on my on TikTok. So yes, this is what I'm looking for on the low time frame. On the 4 hours, I would really don't want to see this level taken out. So I want to see this channel reclaimed, and then 41,500. Then I'll be looking for the target, which is around 42, 43. This is a midterm resistance. So we want to see what price will be here. If the price rejected from here, that's still a lower high, and then we're looking at our initial target, which is 37, 38. So back to make a summary of what we're looking at here. So on the weekly, there is this bearish divergence we talked about, and this bearish divergence we talked about, and we're expecting the price for around 37, 38. I'm not sure this will be reversal. If this broke to the downside, then we're looking at, as we said, first 34, 35, and then eventually 28 to 30K area. For sure, we're gonna get a bounce here. If the price managed to reverse here, that's good. Then we're back into this high time frame channel that we talked about before, which is this channel. But if the price went under this, then we're looking around the 23K area. I'm not saying this is happening tomorrow. What I'm saying is the level I'm watching. So 30K is a very massive support that Bitcoin should keep, which is this massive range. This is a range which has been since almost a year and a half. So Bitcoin can come down to this range and can go up. This is on the high macro time frame. On the daily, we're still the same channel. This is a bear flag. We trade the channel as long as it's giving us trade. If the price went if the price went, as we said, to this area, I'm looking for a long after taking all this liquidity here. Fake out, it will be nice, and then we're looking for long. If not, then we're looking at the high time frame levels. On the opposite side, if the price come here, we're looking at this around even mid of the channel here for a short opportunity if the price show weakness to take it back down to this level. On the very short time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we're looking now still this range to play. Once this range is taken out and the 41,500, then we're looking back at the higher time frame resistance. In the meantime, this is lower time frame. So that's how we play it. We look at the low time frame resistance, and then medium, and then high time frame. So this is it all. Nothing really much happening on Bitcoin. If you think of it, since December, Bitcoin is in this range. It's been almost 4 months. Bitcoin is just in a range between 45 and 35. So once this range will break to the upside or to the downside, it will get massive follow through. And this is something important. If this range break to the upside, I'm looking at 58, if not more. If this range broke to the downside, we're talking about 28, 30. So that's it for Bitcoin. Hope you like the update. And if you want me to look at any specific altcoin, please drop it down in the comment. Thank you.